Like about Thursdays is the next day's Friday, and usually on Friday and Saturday, that's when people go out and eat. So what better night to cook in than Thursday night? So let's cook. Tonight we're gonna make almond crusted chicken tenders. Blender, blend it up, turn it into a flour, I hope. Let's just start out by doing about a little over 2.5 cups. Oh my gosh, so good. I think that'll be good. I didn't see any recipes with hemp seeds, but I just can't see what it would hurt to throw these things in there. 15 grams of fat, 1 gram of carbohydrate. That's a really nice keto ratio. 1 gram total sugars, 10 grams of protein, and 3 tablespoons. It's a no-brainer. We've got our basic little crust here. Now we need to season it. The ever popular Cumin. And just a little Cayenne to spice up your life. Now we have to prep the chicken. I'm pretty annoyed right now because these are not chicken tenders. They're chicken breasts that are halved. Take your time when you're shopping. Improvise. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. I think the winning oil of the night's avocado oil. We need a lot of oil. I think it's a good idea to put it on medium heat. Let it get nice and hot. You want it just hot enough where it's gonna have enough time to cook through the chicken, not burn the outside, and give you a nice finished product. We'll see if we have any, if I can squeeze any more out of here. Guess who's on the patio? I just let her on the patio less than 2 minutes ago, and she wants back in already. Last time. We don't have any eggs. Yeah, I have no eggs. I didn't buy chicken tenders. I had to cut chicken breasts into strips. And I thought I had eggs, but I don't. You can't say that's never happened to you. Improvise. Mix some Grey Poupon into a bowl with some other things. Dip your chicken, coat your chicken in that, then put that into the crust. Let's try it. Put some salt in on this. We're gonna add some dill. The Dijon sauce we just made, Dijon, mayonnaise, dill, salt, pepper. All right, it's ready to go. Get these things frying. I call this light fry. I like it that way. It's less messy, doesn't pop me, and hurt my skin. I started them out at just sort of a light fry below medium heat, just slightly, but now I've got it up on medium heat. Do you ever feel like you know when something is done just by the smell of it? I do. I just flipped the chicken. Looks good. The first batch is all ready. Everything's almost done. Next time I see you, I'm gonna have a plate full of food because I can't keep up with everything right now. So I want to enjoy my meal. Thank you all for coming along. I'll see you on the next video. Hey, while you're at it, get down there and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'm gonna keep coming at you, so you might as well do it. Those Brussels sprouts are so good. Wow.